Hello students, I am Preeti Johari and you are watching the Johari Studio. I am delighted because on your demand I am going to start today full QBasic programming course on the Johari Studio. In this course, I will teach you QBasic from beginning to end, like how can download QBasic on your computer system, QBasic commands, use of punctuation, variables, operators, conditional statement, what is looping, different types of loop statement, and so on through examples. So please make sure that you click on the subscribe button and press bell icon so you don't miss the single video, and don't forget give thumbs up if you like the video. Let's start. It is first video of this series. In this video we will learn how to download QBasic in your computer system. Before downloading the QBasic on your computer system, it is must that you should know what is your computer system type. Means your computer supports 64 bits or 32 bits. If you don't know, no problem. You can know it very easily. For this, you have to right click on the My Computer icon. A pop-up menu display on your screen. We will click on the Property option. As soon as you will click on Property option, Property window will be displayed on your computer screen. Here you can see System type. System type, My Computer support 64-bit. Okay. Does our computer system support 64 bits or 32 bits? After knowing this, now we will download the QBasic. So for that we will open any web browser. I will open here Google Chrome. After that we will type here qb64.org. qb64.org and press enter key to search. After pressing the enter key, this screen will open. Look at the bottom. Here you are getting the option of download. Now you have to click on this option. By clicking on this option, another window will be open in front of you. In this window, you will see the option download link. It is download links. Look here. Here you will see two options, 64 bits and 32 bits. And you have already know that which option support your computer. My computer supports 64 bits. That's why I will go through by this option. As soon as we will click on this option, QBasic will be start downloaded on our computer system. It will take some time to download. Until then, we have to wait. Now our file has been downloaded. So now we have to click right click here. Okay, right click here and then click on show in folder option. Show in folder option. Then directly same folder will open where the QBasic are downloaded. Okay. Now you have to right click on it. QB64. Right click on it. After right click on it, a pop-up menu displayed on the screen. Here you will see extract files. You have to click on it, extract files. It will take few minutes. Now in this window, computer asks for destination where you want to save extract file. First we will choose the drive where we want to save extract files. So I will choose F drive. After that, click on new folder option. New folder will appear here. Okay. Now we will rename the folder name. We give the folder name QBasic. QBasic and then OK. Press OK button. It will take few seconds or few minutes to extract the files. Until then we have to wait. So you can see that the files are extracted. We have saved extracted files on F drive. So we will open F drive from my computer icon. Close it. Open the my computer icon. And open F drive. Do you remember? We had created a folder named QBasic in F drive. Where did we store extract files? Now we will open that QBasic folder. QB, search it, yes, that is. Double click on it. Here you will see another folder, QB64. We will double click on it to open this folder. Here you can see blue icon. By clicking on this icon, you can open QBasic window. Okay, if you want to create shortcut on desktop, then you have to right click on this icon, right, and share with, right click and send to and desktop create shortcut. Click on this option, desktop create shortcut. See, create shortcut here. Now see that the shortcut of QBasic has been created on the desktop. Now you can open your QBasic window by clicking on it, close it. Okay, if you want to increase or decrease the window size, you should have to right click on the shortcut. Place the mouse pointer here and press the right button of the mouse, and the pop-up menu are displayed. Here we will choose property option. Click on property. As soon as we click on property option, another property window appear on your screen. Here we will click on compatibility tab, and here we will choose if we want to increase the window size, we choose run in 640 into 480 screen. Otherwise, okay, when we choose, we increase by selecting this option, you can increase the QBasic window size. Okay. That's all for today. Hope you all have understood how to download QBasic on your computer system. If you have understood, then please don't forget like and share the video and subscribe the channel. In the next video, we will learn about some important QBasic command. Till then, bye bye and take care.